going to tidy up the end of it.
Okay, here we are at the VA Forgeron,
He's doing his...
the ye old blacksmith gallery. And our friend Phil here is forming some really cool hooks to hang things up with his, what's this called, Phil? The oven.
Forge.
A forge. Oh, that's called a forge. How appropriate.
C'est le vieux forgeron.
Yes, I said that
Yeah.
in an English accent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Je parle français comme une vache espagnole.
Ah, un petit peu. Petit peu.
Je suis un ananas.
Hablo en español no mucho. Solamente un poquito.
But I speak Cobalt. Amongst other languages.
I think you must have been a blacksmith in your former life, Phil.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah. How'd you get interested in doing this?
All right, no filming while I'm using power tools. This goes a lot faster.
What a talent. A man of many talents.
Renee and I were sitting once at home, probably having a couple of drinks, I'll bet. And I collect a lot of crap, as you know. And I said, you know what I don't have? An anvil. This is like 3-4 summers ago. And by the end of the summer, I had about 5 of them.
Wow.
I just didn't know what to do with it.
Why does anybody need 5 anvils?
Well, you make wind chimes out of them.
Oh, you make me laugh and get my video all shaky. Well, something else this is. Just get a shot of this, how hot this is in here. Woo, baby, it's hot.
Beeswax for, Phil.
The wax seals it and keeps it from rusting. None of your beeswax.
None of your beeswax, what the beeswax is for.
I have about 100 bees at home that I milk every morning.
Oh, he milks the bees and gets the beeswax out of them. Isn't that great?
There you go.
All right, there we go. Let's see the finished product.
Ah.
Oh my gosh, it's too hot.